Uh, Antihistaminic drug classification. First one is bronchodilator. In this, beta 2 agonist come. First one is beta 2 sympathomimetic agent. That in this, the beta 2 agents act as an agonist to the beta receptor. Example, salbutamol and terbutaline. B is methylxanthine. Example is theophylline and mylophylline. Third one is anticholinergic drug. Is example and ipratropium bromide, thiotropium bromide. Second is leukotriene antagonist. Example is montelukast, zefilokast. Third one is mast cell stabilizer, sodium chromogyllate and ketofen. Fourth one is corticosteroid. Example is it is divided into systematic and inhalation. In this, systematic hydrocorticosteroid, prednisolone and other glucocorticoid comes. And inhalation beclomethasone. And then the fifth one is anti-IgE antibody. In this, that it basically helps to prevent the release of mast cell granules, and therefore it inhibits the swelling and inflammation. Now, mechanism of action of beta 2 agonist is it beta 2 agonist bind to the beta 2 receptor, which is deep protein coupled receptor. It causes activation of adenyl cyclase, catalyzes the CAMP. This helps in relaxation of smooth muscles as decrease in calcium level in ICF. Why this calcium level decrease? Because inside the due to CAMP the potassium channel opens and it use calcium ion in order to like open up and go out of the cell. This overall decreases the positive charge inside the cell cause hyperpolarization and therefore called bronchodilation. B is in this methylxanthine. This act as an inhibitor of PD, phosphodiesterase. What phosphodiesterase does? It degrades the CAMP. But CAMP is responsible for CAMP and CAMP responsible for bronchodilation. So therefore PD degrades this. So methylxanthine degrades this PDE. Therefore CAMP will level increases and therefore muscle constriction doesn't occur. Now, PDE4 responsible for inflammation as well and release of cytokinin in this. And the third one of mechanism of methylxanthine is that it blocks the adenosine receptor that is responsible for the bronchoconstriction. C is anticholinergic drug, which in this it blocks the M3 receptor that cause bronchodilation. Example, ipratropium bromide. And we have seen that ipratropium bromide given with beta T agonist, it can cause more powerful dilation. Second is leukotriene antagonist. It prevents the allergic reactions and all. For example, it in this receptor, the leukotriene and these act as a competitive to each other.